So guys, we made it to the National Chiang Kai-Shek Memorial Hall, and it was built to honor their late president. This place is just stunning, beautiful structures, unbelievable sights. Let me show you around. The Memorial Hall was opened in 1980 as part of a national park and gathering area. It was named after General Chiang Kai-Shek, the former president of the Republic of China. This giant complex also includes the National Concert Hall and the National Theater.
Walking through the Chiang Kai-Shek Memorial Park will lead you directly to the Memorial Hall. The octagon-shaped white building rises 76 meters and is covered with blue tiles and red accents, resembling the colors of the flag of the Republic of China. The 8 sides represents the Chinese cultural symbolism of the number 8, which is traditionally associated with fortune and wealth. To get up to the Memorial Hall, 2 sets of 89 steps represents Chiang Kai-shek's age of death and lead up to the main hall housing area and a large bronze statue of Chiang. The statue is protected by 2 military guards who stand and wait for 1 hour, and on the hour you will see the changing of the guards.
While exploring the Memorial Hall, we happened to stumble on the changing of the guards and were able to capture it for all of you guys to see. Thank you for watching our video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. See you on the next one.